Speak Portuguese like a pro. Quick tips for beginners. Want to stand out in a world of languages? Portuguese is spoken by over 220 million people worldwide and opens the door to vibrant cultures, from Brazil's samba rhythms to Portugal's historic charm. Learning it is your ticket to adventure, connection, and exciting possibilities. Olá, hello, obrigado, thank you, and ciao, goodbye. These basic words will build your confidence fast. Portuguese can seem tricky, but learning essentials like greetings and polite phrases gets you ready to engage with native speakers. Practice makes perfect. Did you know R sounds like H in Brazilian Portuguese? For example, Rio de Janeiro is pronounced Rio de Janeiro. Embrace the melody of Portuguese and don't be afraid to imitate native accents. This step will help you sound natural in no time. Find yourself in a cafe? Try saying, "Eu quero café, por favor." I want a coffee, please. Hungry? Say, "Estou com fome." I'm hungry. Simple, practical sentences make travel and conversations way easier. Now's the perfect time to dive into the Portuguese language. Subscribe to our channel, watch our lessons, and transform your vocabulary into confidence. Hit like, share with friends, and start speaking Portuguese today. Sua jornada começa aqui. Your journey starts here.